Do you feel trapped in a cycle of never having enough money, no matter how hard you try? Have bill collectors blowing up your phone become an unwelcome routine? What if I told you that with just a clove of garlic and a flush of your toilet, you could break free from the shackles of financial scarcity and attract prosperity into your life instead? I know it sounds crazy, but stay with me. Because your toilet is actually the perfect place to banish poverty energy for good. When combined with the purifying and protective power of common garlic, you have an unlikely but potent ritual to say goodbye to lack and welcome in fortune and abundance. In this video, I'll be sharing a magical, metaphysical trick to distress your finances, clear away limiting money blocks, and call in fresh fortune as easy as taking out the trash. The best part? All it takes is a bit of garlic from your kitchen and a flush of your toilet to start overflowing your bank account. So if you're tired of the stress, worry, and despair of never having enough money, grab some garlic and let's get flushing financial freedom your way. I know what you're thinking. How can a clove of garlic in my toilet manifest more money? Has this girl lost her mind? Bear with me for a moment here. Yes, it may seem weird, but the toilet is actually the perfect portal for magical money manifesting when paired with the power of garlic. Let me explain. Garlic has been used for purification for ages. Garlic is one of those humble yet mighty foods that has been used since ancient times for cleansing and protection rituals. There's a reason why vampires are scared of garlic. Its strong clearing energies break up and repel negative vibes. For our purposes, garlic essentially serves as a magical money blockbuster. It comes in and destroys whatever is clogging up the finances so they can start flowing freely again. Here's a cool history fact for you. During medieval times, garlic was thought to literally protect people's money. People would rub their coins with garlic before doing business to attract wealth and prevent loss. The toilet vortex gives a swirl away boost. Now this is where your toilet comes in for the win. We need a place to not only clear blocks but send the poverty packing for good. The swirling vortex of flushing water serves as a magical amplifier to boost the garlic's cleansing work. It ensures the wiped-out money blocks get banished so they don't try to stick around again. Your toilet provides a direct portal straight down the drain and far away from you and your abundant new financial reality. So garlic brings the cut and clear, and your toilet brings the swirl and disappear. Working together, it's a 1-2 punch to end financial suffering once and for all. Now let's talk about prepping for the ritual itself. You don't need much, but quality ingredients are key. Garlic. Make sure it's fresh. Old limp garlic has lost its purification power. Go for firm bulbs that still have some zing when crushed. Choose garlic heads with nice big cloves too. The more substantial, the more energy we have to work with. You'll only need 1 clove though, so don't go overboard. This ritual is all about the power of focused intention. Slice and dice. Use a sharp knife to slice your clove into 8 evenly sized pieces. This activates the stabilizing, abundant energies of the number 8. Take your time here, focusing on precision. The care taken reflects the care you'll have for your finances. Pen and paper. Make sure you have a working pen or marker to write clearly on each garlic piece. I recommend a Sharpie since they write on anything. You'll also need a small piece of paper to write the names down before transferring to the garlic. Cinnamon. Optional. Cinnamon adds a spicy prosperity punch if you want to take this ritual up a notch. It really amplifies the drawing in of new financial energy. But your good old garlic and toilet do pack enough of a punch on their own if you don't have any. So with ingredients in hand, you're ready to cook up some cash. Let's move on to the intention setting. Before we begin the actual toilet garlic ritual, It's important to set a clear intention so the universe knows what outcome you seek. Intention fuels manifestation, so get clear on what you want to create. Get centered. Start by getting grounded and centered. Sit comfortably with your back straight. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Focus your attention inward as you relax more with each inhale and exhale. Open your heart. Now, place your hands on your heart center. Feel your heart beating as you breathe slowly and deeply. Imagine your heart expanding with love, joy, optimism. This raises your vibration so you can harness manifestation power. Set your focus. From this centered state, clearly state your ritual intention aloud or silently in your mind. For example, my intention is to powerfully clear all financial blocks now and welcome new prosperity into my life with ease. Feel the rightness and resonance of this intention. Tweak the words if needed to make it fully aligned. With intention set, you're ready to perform the ritual. Now we're ready to conduct the toilet garlic ritual to flush away poverty for good. Prepare the garlic. Slice your garlic clove into 8 even pieces, focusing on precision and care. On a small piece of paper, write down the names of people or situations you associate with scarcity and financial hardship. Transfer these onto the garlic pieces, 1 name per piece. Handle the garlic with intention as you essentially encode the poverty energy signatures into them. Toilet time. Take your garlic pieces to the bathroom along with cinnamon if using. If you want extra spice, sprinkle cinnamon into the toilet bowl. Hover over the toilet, clutching the garlic in your dominant hand while placing the other hand over your heart center. Flush and release. Say your intention aloud 1 more time, then drop the garlic cloves into the toilet bowl, 1 by 1. As you drop them in, chant, "Debt disappears and money flows to me now." Visualize the swirling vortex washing away all traces of hardship down the drain. After the last piece goes in, say, "So it is," to seal the deal. Wrap up. Flush the toilet with intensity and authority, sending poverty away for good. Gaze into the bowl as the water settles back down, solidifying the ritual's success. Thank the garlic, toilet, and any supporting energies that assisted you. Walk forward into your abundant new reality. Congratulations, you just completed a powerful ritual to flush away scarcity and make way for new financial fortune. But the work doesn't end here. Now it's time to walk forward in faith and confidence that prosperity is on its way to you. Live from that place of abundance and watch how your outside world transforms to reflect it. You can repeat this ritual as often as intuitively feels right while you await manifestation. Pay attention to any gut nudges to do another round, and definitely repeat if you notice old poverty consciousness creeping back in. Think of this as your emergency money reset button. Whenever you need to clear blocks or reinforce positive financial energy, garlic and toilet have your back. One final tip: be sure to keep your bathroom trash can covered and the toilet lid down. This prevents any expelled poverty vibes from floating back to you. Alright friend, I hope this gives you a fun starting point to say goodbye to money troubles once and for all. Let me know in the comments if you give this a try. And thank you for watching.